Good morning. It is stupid o'clock in the morning here in North Carolina. It is raining, it is cold, it's miserable, and I'm out here seeing if I can take some great sunrise photos of this tree right behind me. So come along and enjoy this adventure. Well, this is the tree I want to photograph. This is a solitary tree in the middle of this agricultural field I'm standing in. And what I'm doing is I'm a little bit lower than the tree. The tree's up on a little bit of a hill, and then behind it is where the sun's allegedly going to rise. And my goal is to basically photograph. I have a few problems here. First of all, sunrise is supposed to occur in a few minutes, and it's pre-dawn right now. It is overcast. I expected a lot more. I was hoping that the clouds would be open over here, and I was able to get some good light on the clouds, but I don't know if that's going to happen. Another problem I have too is, I don't know if you can see it, but there is a satellite antenna or a cell phone antenna right over here, and it's got a blinking red light, and that's something I'm going to have to take out of post. So now the only thing I have to do is set up and wait for the sun to rise here. Well, I did not get the light I was really hoping to get. It is cold and dismal out here. There is no color at all out here. And I think I'm going to capture that feeling here in the sky. I'm shooting at f11, ISO 100. And what I want to do is I want to catch the feeling here. It is cold. It is rainy. It is just dismal out here. And I want to capture it. So I have this solitary tree on top of this hill here. These gray skies behind it. I really want to catch that feeling. And I don't know if I'm going to edit this image so it's black and white, or just really mute the color so you get that feeling. When you look at the image, you feel the cold and the wind blowing on you and the rain falling on you. So if this image is any good, here it is. Well, the rain is starting to come again. I'm going to end this video here. I had a really good time out here photographing. I really hope this image came out. But if you got anything out of this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel because that really helps us in the YouTube world. Become a Patreon supporter. Your support allows us to keep doing this. My name is Leahy, and thank you for watching.